This video provides a summary of the Supreme Court case, People of the Philippines versus Adrales, decided on May 22, 2024. The case concerns charges of qualified trafficking in persons and addresses the application of the Sexual Abuse Shield Rule. The accused, Adrian Adrales, was charged with 3 counts of qualified trafficking in persons for recruiting and facilitating the exploitation of a 14-year-old minor. The court applied 2 key precedents, affirming that minors cannot legally consent to sexual exploitation and applying the Sexual Abuse Shield Rule to protect the victim. The prosecution presented a pattern of 3 incidents in 2011. In each instance, Adrales recruited the 14-year-old victim for sexual encounters with adult men, facilitating the meetings and managing payments, which included cash and gifts. The accused denied the charges, claiming the victim acted voluntarily and had a reputation as a prostitute. The court rejected these defenses, ruling them inherently weak against the direct and credible testimony provided by the child victim regarding Adrales' role. The regional trial court found the accused guilty. The Court of Appeals and the Supreme Court affirmed this conviction, with the Supreme Court adding a 6% legal interest per annum on the monetary damages awarded to the victim. Under Section 6A of Republic Act 9208, the victim's age is central to the charge of qualified trafficking. Proof of threat or coercion is unnecessary, as a minor is legally incapable of consenting to commercial sexual exploitation. The court enforced the Sexual Abuse Shield Rule. This rule deems evidence of a child victim's past sexual history or reputation strictly inadmissible, protecting victims from invasive questioning and stereotyping during judicial proceedings. The total monetary liability for the accused reached 7.8 million pesos. This includes fines, moral damages, and exemplary damages, plus legal interest calculated from the finality of the decision until the amount is fully satisfied. Key takeaways from this case include the strict enforcement of victim-centered protection, the classification of intermediaries as primary perpetrators of trafficking, and the legal irrelevance of a child victim's prior sexual history in these proceedings. In synthesis, the Supreme Court decision in People v. Adrales reaffirms the commitment to protecting the dignity of child victims through the consistent application of the Sexual Abuse Shield Rule. This concludes our summary of the case. The image source used for this video is available on pngtree.com.